If you want to understand how your sales are performing, reports in Pipedrive are essential. In this guide, I'll show you how to generate and use reports to track deals, revenue, and overall performance. First, log in to your Pipedrive account and click on the Reports tab from the main menu. This is where all your sales insights are generated. Next, select the type of report you want. You can choose from deal reports, activity reports, revenue reports, or performance reports depending on what you want to analyze. Once you choose a report, customize it by selecting filters like date range, pipeline, deal owner, or stage. This helps you focus on the exact data you need. Now review your report. You'll see charts and graphs showing deal progress, revenue trends, and conversion rates. If you want to use the same report again later, click Save. This allows you to quickly access it without rebuilding the filters every time. You can also export your reports for sharing or analysis. Download them as a file or share them with your team directly from Pipedrive. For a broader view, use dashboards. Dashboards combine multiple reports so you can see your entire sales performance in one place. Focus on key metrics like total revenue, win rate, deal velocity, and activity completion. These numbers help you understand how your sales process is performing, and that's how to generate reports in Pipedrive. So with the right reports and dashboards, you can make smarter decisions and improve your sales results over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.